I'm like, oh, it's 16.
I haven't.
18 and I haven't thrown it together the last time.
You're right.
Bring it 16. And then he did it!
And I didn't. Then I didn't do it. Explain this. Yeah. Because you got to wait for the gear door.
Yeah, that's what happened. Oh, yeah, you know, it's
Man, the air is cold. I have to put my hood on.
I should have bring the other jacket with the hood.
Yeah, the hood helps. Then
I have a sweater that I could
then
put
it
inside.
limits what I can see though.
Yeah,
Let's hold it
that's
up
the
here.
only
There we go. All right, here we go. Going up.
China cleared.
Whoa!
That too!
Whoa!
Yeah. Dude, you missed the F14. I put bigger batteries in it.
Mucho mejor.
So is Rand gonna fix his F-22?
I think he ordered parts.
He's making good money. You should be able to order. Dude.
I saw the video on that. That was crazy.
Flew it. Swept the wings, man. It was good.
And you get a lot of flight time.
I flew for 5 minutes and my battery was like 50%.
Oh, that's good. That's safe.
It's
Safe. That's what you
safe.
want.
So I think I can fly conservatively. I can fly 95 or 6 minutes. If I fly crazy. If I fly like slow, I can fly. This is a plane.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Put a 6S4000 in this thing.
That's what's in there now. This is the 30C too, so it's lighter.
You fly like bad man. It's not like you fly.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is one you should get, mate. I think you'd really enjoy it.
The F-18?
Yeah.
I'm getting the E-Flight F-16 for campaign
Those are fun too. I mean, I saw the videos people hand launching them. What?
I know. Yeah. I'm just gonna ship it down to Indiana.
Well, they'll be there. You could. Isn't there a Horizon Hobby right there?
No, that's in Champaign, Illinois.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, campaign headquarters. Indiana. That town's so small. Every restaurant, like one of the sponsors is Applebee's, and they have like a whole back room with like airplane tables just for the campers.
Uh-huh.
He built a flight test mini Guinea
Oh, okay.
with like illegally bright lights on it. And then I got a Visionaire, and then another guy, Austin, he had the E-Flight A-40. He had a Corvette.
You know someone who wants an FT down? I want to get rid of my
C-Dub?
FT down.
The flight test? Somebody's gonna want it.
Yeah.
You almost hit it.
$20.
The bird, I saw him.
No, you didn't pay attention.
I saw him. He went. Whoa.
Yeah, he moved back.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Yes, of course.
Whew. Okay, let's see if I can do a touch and go.
I've wanted to see that for a while, but I don't know.
Oh, you'd love it.
So here, I've been trying
I've
to.
flown one. It flies really nice.
They fly amazing. I just don't fly
Gear
aggressive.
down.
So.
What do you fly it on? 3S?
30 seconds.
4S what?
Up your motor.
OS 4200. I'm trying 4200.
Just doing. I was going to do a touch and go, but
No, it's the wind.
the wind picked it up.
They will lift it.
Flip it over too.
Fly it on 4S.
Do one more.
10,
Got to get it to touch down though.
8, 7,
If I'd have had flaps down, it would have done it, but
4,
I'm doing it without because of the wind.
2, 1. Time expired.
0, 0.
Alright, the time to come in for a stop.
Landing flaps.
Hey, look, there's 2 planes in formation right there.
Oh, look at that.
I flew right past them, thought I was going to hit them at first.
Here.
There we go, with flaps it's better.
There we go.
Mucho
Oh, it's
mejor.
the...
I still remember the little one that we used to fly.
The little, yeah, the one
I
we
still have
you
it.
just make it go like this and
Yeah,
then
I
plop.
still have it.
Yeah.
I'm like, dude, it's way to freaking go for $120.
Take it
For
off
what?
mine, I'm gonna get the money and I'll buy that right off.
No, I looked at it. It's really nice.
Those things are so much fun too.
Dude, we used to fly that in the It was ridiculously fun.
Yeah, but
I mean,
we haven't been there now.
Ridiculous amount of fun.
I can get it for $20 in 2 days. I'll buy it.
Alright, well, it'll be there. Where do you live, Nate?
Los Gatos.
Okay.
Los
So,
Gatos eyes.
Well, you can always just bring it
I'll
out.
bring it out.